Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today, we are starting our very first robotics lesson. In this video, we will learn using this Arduino kit and you'll learn how to blink in LED using a breadboard. Don't worry if you are a complete beginner, I'll explain everything step by step in a simple and practical way. So, grab your components and be ready for exciting lessons. Let's get started.
Now let's gather all the components we need for this project. First is breadboard, second LED, third resistor, fourth jumper wires, battery. So once we have everything ready, let's start making the connections. First, connect the jumper wires to the breadboard to provide the power supply. And next, insert the LED into the breadboard. And remember, long leg of the LED is a positive terminal and short leg is the negative terminal. Now let's connect one end of the resistor to the positive leg of the LED and connect the another end of the resistor to the positive power rail of the breadboard. After that, connect the negative leg of the LED to the negative power rail of the breadboard. So now our circuit is completed. Finally, now connect the battery, attach the positive wire of the battery to the power rail of the positive side and the negative wire to the negative power rail.